everyone, it's Jamie for Not Too Shabby. I have a pile of goodies to share with you. I also want to announce some guest designers for the shop. I'll have all their links down below. So for May, we have Karen from K Warner Studio. So she'll be designing 4 projects for the month of May. So be sure to subscribe to the guest designers channels. They have some great channels, some great information to share with you. We have Tina Kappa. She'll be designing 4 projects as well for the month of May. We have a special guest spot designer, Maria Russell. She has done a video using the new stamp set, Let's Do Coffee. So I'll have her video linked down below. Beautiful card that she made. Also, another gal has done a beautiful set of cards using the stamp set Let's Do Coffee. Her channel is Crafting While Caffeinated. So really fun channel she has. Her name is Lindsay. She has a lot of information on her channel. She has a great teaching channel. Subscribe to her. I really enjoy her channel. So those are the guest designers for May. So I have a bunch of random goodies here I'm going to share with you. You can use my coupon code JAMIE to save 10% off your order. And the last day for the deal of the day is today to get the Rustic Wildflowers stamp for free with a purchase of $100 or more. So if you do spend $100 or more, pop it into your cart. You'll see the discount come off your total. And I do have the die on sale as well. I also have a free with 60. It's a Doodlebug clips. So if you spend 60 or more, you could pop that into your cart and get that for free. I wanted to share some new items in the shop, so I did bring in some alcohol inks. So if you haven't tried this technique, it is really fun. There's lots of tutorials on YouTube on how to play with these products. Here is a sample of little art piece that I did using the alcohol inks in Yupo paper. If you search my YouTube channel, this video was called Playing with Yupo Paper. And then I just added some pen work, did a little doodling on here. So this is really, really fun to play with. I really enjoy alcohol inks. So I do have some of the paper. So we have the Ranger. This is the cardstock used for alcohol inks. And then I have one left of this Yupo paper by Ranger. And then I did bring in some Bristol Smooth paper. This is in the small trading card size. So perfect for your smaller little images to stamp on there and fussy cut them out. This is the applicator you use for the alcohol inks. So this is in the round. It's got the round felt in here. There's extra pads in here. You get 2 of them. Some blending solution. If you don't have the alcohol blending solution, you use this to create some more patterns on your alcohol inks. And the metallic mixatives. These are really cool because you can add some metallic shades to your project. And this is in the like a gold and then a silver. And then I have various different color packs. So they come in 3. And then there's different color combinations. So you'll see that on the site. Let's see, I'm not sure if I can find the name of this on the package. I'm sure it's on here. Well, I see the colors on the bottle, the raspberry, pebble, and clover. watermelon, citrus, and sailboat blue. Dandelion, coral, and pistachio. This is crimson, aquamarine, and sepia. Valencia, limeade, and turquoise. Flamingo, patina, and amethyst. So those are some of the color combinations. And I did get these back in stock. The sapphire and the mint to be Avery L liquid watercolor. So I still have a few of these in stock as well. I got some great Nuvo products in stock. So I have some more of the Smooth Precision glue pen. So this is glue, but the tip is like a pen. So it's perfect for adding glitter to small images. This great adhesive by Nuvo. This is the deluxe adhesive clear drying craft glue, and this glue is amazing. It's got a super fine tip. I got the new Nuvo brushes. So these are for watercoloring. You can use these with all mediums. Nice price point on this for the set of 12. I got in some ink pads. So this is hybrid ink, fast drying, and you can use these with Copics and watercolor. This is Black Shadow. The Acorn Brown. So this is like a brown color. You can use this for like the no line watercoloring. And then Clear Mark. So this is an embossing pad. Got some fun Nuvo crystal drops in different colors. This is a really pretty color. Apple green. Let's see, this one is raspberry pink. It's pretty. It's kind of got a shimmer to it. Carnation pink. That one's really pretty. This one here is called Sugared Almond. We've got the clear, so this one dries clear. We've got the Simply White, the Dandelion Yellow, the Ripened Pumpkin, Bubblegum Blush, so this is a lighter pink. These bottles have really pretty crystal tops. Sweet Lilac, so that's a very light purple. Duck Egg Blue, really light blue. And then I got the Crystal Glaze in, so this is kind of like a glossy accents. And then I have, I think one left, the masking fluid, the new masking fluid by Nuvo. I also have the embossing pen. So this is like an embossing pad, but in pen form. And then I got some new stamps in. This is from Jane's Doodle. This is really cute. Homemade, it's called. Love the font on there. Jam-packed with love, baked with love, loving from my oven, homemade. Really cute bowls, mixer, a scale. Really cute. I did get this one back in stock, Rub-a-Dub-Dub and Happy Village. New from Hampton Art, some Mama Elephant designs. This is the whale one. Let's see, I'm not sure if the name is on the packaging. I don't think it is. But this is the new whale one. The cassette tape one. These come with matching dies. This little one with the ants and the speech bubbles. This one's back in stock, Breathe by Penny Black. The little yoga girl. The Little Fireflies die is back in stock, as well as the Penny Black wood floors. So it comes with the wood floor and the baseboard. I thought this would be really cool with my new stamp set, Let's Do Coffee. You can have the bar and then the floors come out. And I like the way these floors angle. They kind of angle so it looks like the floor is in front. You could see the little sample that they have on the back. So that would look so cute with the coffee bar and the little coffee shop theme. This is new, Good Times by Penny Black. So we got the cute little puppy in different little scenes celebrating you. So that's a little cute scene for Mother's Day. Super cute. And you got little scenes for birthdays. This little scene could be for a dog party. It's got a little bone with a little bow. And then new from Waffle Flower. This one is called Therefore I Am. So this one comes with the dies. So you get this pouch that contains the stamp set and the dies. And this is a bigger stamp set. The images are really nice and large on here. So I also have the stamp set by itself if you didn't want to pick up the die. Super cute. He's got like his little milk or coffee, and he's got some chocolate chip cookie in his hand. There's another cookie there. And then this one has his little baking whisk and a little recipe book. There's a little baking hat you can put on him. There's a little bird that could be his little helper. Really cute. Therefore I Am, Made with Love, Thank You, and I Eat, I Bake are the sentiments. Really cute. So I will have the link down below to the shop. Don't forget you can log into your account to collect reward points, and to redeem the points, click on my account, click on my rewards, and then you'll see the button there to redeem your points. You could do that before you start shopping, and then you'll see a $5 gift certificate added to your shopping cart. So thank you everyone for stopping by, and I will see you in the next video, and have yourself a very great weekend. Bye guys.